I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair, yeah.
Hey Princess Naya, hey YouTube, it's Princess Naya back in this video. So as to the title and the thumbnail, you know what hairstyle we're gonna be doing. We're about to be slaying this 2 ponytail on my natural 4C hair. I don't think my hair 4C, let's say like 4B, maybe, whatever. Yeah, we're gonna be doing this hairstyle on this. If you're new to my channel, you don't know who I am. Hey, it's Princess Naya, aka Shania, and subscribe if you haven't already, because you need to be part of CEO the Princess Diaries. Get the key, might as well subscribe, because why not? Like, yeah. So without further ado, let's just get straight to this video.
They got my hang time, and I can put it in a bun.
Of course, yeah, I'm gonna do my voiceover, y'all, because I can't talk while I'm doing my hair. So, and
You tryna see what's up? You wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have a stuff. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it up. When I holla speed, that mean pull up. Cross in and fire, and I bet the fuck. I'm looking good when I'm
okay, so the first step I'm gonna do is parting my hair down straight the middle. I was struggling a little bit, but I got it eventually. Don't play. And after I part it, I'm gonna put it in two different sections. After I sectioned it off, I took the hot comb and went over my hair one more time, just so it'll be a flatter result. Now, as you can see, I took the brush and now I'm just molding the ponytail together. I'm just brushing my hair down so it'll be as flat as possible without the gel. After I put the gel, I just put a little bit of the beeswax like on the top and under, just to like mold the whole thing. But I took the blow dryer and I blow dried it so all the gel and whatever would dry up. Now I'm taking my edges out because I'm doing dramatic edges, so I'm taking a lot of edges out and I'm still molding the ponytail. Alright, now the exact thing I did to the other side, so I'm doing to this side right now. Just taking the beeswax and flattening it up so, you know, ponytail molded. Oh, and if you talk about my part, you're going to jail, so yeah, not too much. I was just doing for the video, non-professional, so yeah, not too much. Okay, y'all, this is the best part, molding and swooping the edges. Now, I'm taking my edges out as much as I need to because I'm doing the swirly edges. And I love this edge look. I think it's so cute. And everybody be like it's so hard, but if you really like pay attention to like the motion my finger is in, and every time I move it, like how I'm moving the comb to make the swoop, it's kind of really easy. You just gotta be patient.
And I'm the reason. Niggas love a bad bitch. Yeah. But Suki say nut on my tits. Pound town, just left pound town. Where my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga he be out. Pound town, just left pound town. Where my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga dick a bitch down. Yeah, that nigga he be out. Hey yo, but my name is Pink, I made him go get that ring. Let him keep it greedy, pussy, now he keep trying to link. I'm pimpin' piggy ring, his ex is just Mickey dick. I'm about to pop a thingy, then sip on his drinky drink. Get the grip, for my pussy slip, nigga with my tip. I'm a flip, like 100 bricks, get back on my lip. I'm a bitch, I want fish and grits, throwing hissy fits. I ain't talking about chicken when I jerk it with my tip. I be twerking on that tip, cause I'm slurping every tip. When I ride it, choke his neck for me, should not be doing splits. Hello, girl, guess who baby said he poppin' they pussy in my motherfucking beer? Anyway, in Miami, how? He like feedback on his hotel. Eat the pound cake down. I'm waxed up, booty, how waxed down. Pound town, just left pound town. Where my nigga, he just took a bitch down. Yeah.
As you can see, I was struggling with this circle. I had to get a new comb, and it still wasn't cooperating. Just gave up. Now, I'm about to spray the edges just so they'll stay in place and not move. Now I got the curly bundles, and I'm starting to wrap them around my ponytail. I'm also going to do the same thing for the other side. And that's the finished look. Thanks for watching. Okay, y'all, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see my bitch tomorrow. I'm tired. See my bitch tomorrow because I'm irritated.
I've been holding back this secret from you.